Welcome you all to this great session, great 2 days gathering to this great city of Calcutta, which needs no introduction, I think, starting from Subhash Bose, Tagore, Mother Teresa, and for most of us, which is the biggest city of Calcutta, should be known as the birthplace of Milan Gupta. And we will discuss on certain things of harmonica, which has different aspects like playing techniques of harmonica, notation and scales of music, and of course an interactive session each day by prominent players, how they play harmonica. President India Harmonica Association, Mr. Pankaj Bose, and Vice President Harmonica Lovers Association, my friend, old friend, Vinayak, to come to stage. Please take your seat.
Would like to say a few words. You know, it's a reality today. At this moment, it is done all by harmonica lover of Hyderabad member and president, Mr. K. Raman. He has taken all the pens. Best wishes to him, and he is the person I'll be handing over the medal to him to continue this.
I request Dr. Pankaj Bose, the Indian Harmonic Cat, to address the gallery.
My dear, oh sorry, why dear? Respected. My dear respected, not present here, Vice President of Harmonica Association. And there are so many personalities from different parts of India, particularly from 9 states and from here. Really, thanks to them. Please be strong. For this sort of gathering, I am really very much pleased. Regarding this historical aspect, in 1995, after this sad demise of Lord Gurudeva Milan Gupta, my own teacher also, the Indian Harmonica Association was established under the leadership of very suitable and justified secretary, Mr. Anupam Pal. Thanks to Anupam Pal, a lot of help to him. Mr. V. Valsara, no doubt eminent figure of India. He was the president till his death, vice presidents. Mr. Parimal Dasgupta, no more with us in this world now, salute to him. And Mr. Milan Dev. Sukanto Ghoshal was trying to pull the boat in full swing. Thereafter, a new face, Tanmay Shankar Chaudhary, faced the music, giving his all efforts. I think our Gurudeva Milan Da, at present looking from the paradise and distributes boon and ashirvado to us. Hearing the news regarding the new life of IAH Kolkata, all the advisory members gave me the thanks, wishes and greetings, especially Mr. Ramanna Pulli of Hyderabad to get our Himalayan thanks for giving the advice time to time for the betterment of Indian Harmonica Association. I am proud to announce that Mr. Ramanna is the mine of harmonica news, That the anchor is an organ of 4 inches or 5 inches in length and said to be the mouth organ or harmonica or tin sandwich, Mississippi saxophone. I declare the organ is our mother as our mother. She is the best anchor whom brought today's all these passengers and delegates by her sweet melody, sweet tune and sweet love. So salute to the mouth organ. Today we are very much happy to receiving our beloved harmonica lovers of other states in connection with the workshop. The positive gain is that It makes a golden relationship, brings brotherhood between the music lovers. I lastly declare that the first phase, that is a workshop cum seminar, is hereby opened.
Welcome and namaste to all harmonica lovers of India. I would like to say the concept of harmonica lovers of Hyderabad, the basis of harmonica lovers of Hyderabad. Harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is not an organization. Harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is not a group. Harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is not a club. It never will be a club. Harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is a flag under which we play harmonica. It's only a flag. Harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is just a name. The entity is the harmonica lovers of all over India, all over the globe. Harmonica lovers, whoever he may be playing harmonica, he may be learning harmonica, he may be appreciating the music of harmonica. They don't know harmonica, but they want to learn harmonica or appreciate harmonica or listen to harmonica music, good music, are all natural members of harmonica lovers of Hyderabad. Hyderabad, we have put there to show our existence in this small world. Anybody can be a member. We don't have admission forms. We don't have any admission fee. We don't charge any money to the people who come to learn harmonica. The sole aim of harmonica lovers of Hyderabad is to promulgate, popularize the lost glory, restore the lost glory of this tiny instrument. Many people were discussing, who is this Vinayak? There is no upload. There is no comment. I don't comment. I don't go on the internet. Who is this Vinayak? Yes. In front of this gathering, I am in front of you in flesh and blood. Around 20 years ago, I came to Calcutta just to learn harmonica from my Gurudev Milonda. I am really overwhelmed to say I am his only direct disciple in the entire South India. I used to earn my own money to spend on my own hobby. That is just a small 4-inch instrument called harmonica. They say hands are the extension of mind. You have many ideas in your mind, but to give a physical form to your ideas, you require hands. And harmonica lovers have found able hands in the form of Mr. Ramana. Lest I forget, I would like to mention one more name. Unfortunately, he could not be present here. Mr. Raman Khandelwal. His contribution is immense. He is the content writer. He is the creative input providers. He stays in Jaipur, yet he is very much a lover of harmonica and member of harmonica lovers of Hyderabad. Anupam Da is just like Gurudev Milonda to me. A couple of months back, we got a phone call from him. Why don't we organize All India Meet? Soared at that time. And from that day, that moment, we started brainstorming. As many people from different parts of India. And today I am happy we have representatives, club members, different harmonica club members, 11 states of India. It is the biggest achievement for this small initial beginning of Indian mouth organ players. We took the help of the internet. We made a forum and gave it a name, Indian Mouth Organ Players, IMP. That's a simple name. No affiliation with any group, any organization, anything. Because we don't know in which states, in which cities there are harmonica groups or individual harmonica players. A person, when he reads Indian mouth organ players, the name, he should feel I am one of them. And the forum is still active on Facebook. All of you have made this meet a success on the day one itself. Thank you very much.
I request the junior most harmonica player of this group and harmonica lovers of Hyderabad, proudly presenting one atom bomb of Indian harmonica today is here. Mr. Sumit Guha, the junior most harmonica player, will be igniting the lamp, and along with him I request Mr. D. The senior most in this group, I request both of them. Request Dr. Pankaj Bose and Mr. Vinay to invite the